My friend Nadee sent me this Indian fried rice recipe, and it is super simple to make. This masala rice is absolutely perfect to use up any leftover rice, or you can make fresh rice too. This is really my favorite fried rice recipe now, and I make it all the time. Here is the original recipe video she sent me.
If you do not have any leftover rice, then add 2 cups of rinsed basmati rice into a pot. Then, add 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil. Then reduce heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes until all water is absorbed. I like to let the rice cool completely for the best results. Just like using leftover rice from the fridge. Put the rice into a bowl and then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well until all the rice grains are coated with the spices. If you want to make it easier, use 2 teaspoons of ready-made masala rice seasoning instead of separate spices. This mix contains the perfect blend for this fried rice recipe. I have left the link in the description below. Next, take a wok or large non-stick pan and heat it over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee and let it heat up until it shimmers. Then, carefully add the small cubes of 1 medium-sized diced potato to the hot oil. Fry them for about 5 minutes until they turn golden and crispy. Next, add 1 small diced onion to the pan with the potatoes. Cook them together for about 2 minutes, stirring a few times. The onions will start to soften as they cook. Then add 3 finely diced garlic cloves to the pan. Stir them with the onions and potatoes for about 1 minute until the garlic becomes fragrant. Next, add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts and mix them with the other ingredients in the pan. Next, add 4 to 5 curry leaves and then add 2 small dried red chilies to the pan. Then add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. These seeds will start to pop and sizzle as they heat up, releasing their aromatic flavors. Now, add the spiced rice mixture that we prepared earlier. Keep the heat on medium-high and stir everything together. The rice will quickly absorb the flavors from the spices and vegetables. Stir often to prevent the rice from burning. Cook for about 5 minutes until everything is hot and well combined. This fried rice is tasty and filling. The spices give it good flavor without being too hot. All the ingredients work together to create a dish that smells amazing while cooking. It makes a great quick meal or side dish with other Indian food.
If you enjoyed this Indian masala fried rice recipe, then try this chicken pulao rice recipe next. It's a super tasty rice dish cooked with tender chicken pieces that makes a filling dinner. Check it out now!